Hello, welcome back to Five Fashions YouTube channel. I'm China, and today we're going to be doing a pastel pink on a 613 wig from Five Fashion Hair. This is a custom-made wig from a 613 closure and 2 bundles of 613 cut into a bob. Using the Doors neon pink, I put just a small amount inside of a bath of warm water in the sink and mixed it very well. I also put in conditioner in there to give it the pastel look. More conditioner than color is what I used. I used a small amount of color because I didn't want it too vibrant. I wanted a really soft pink. So I just mixed it very well until the conditioner was completely dissolved into the water and not thick anymore. What I did was took a basically test strand, a small piece of blonde hair, and dipped it into the water to see what color the pink was. And I just added a little bit more pink until I felt like it was the pink that I wanted before I put the entire wig in there. Before putting the wig into the bath of water with the color, I took a small bowl and put water in there and mixed it with the Shimmer Lights shampoo and dipped the wig in there first. What the Shimmer Light shampoo does is soften the tones of orange and yellow in the wig. I just did that to make sure the pastel look was really soft. Like all of these methods are to make sure that the color is really soft and not too vibrant. Taking the wig out of the purple shampoo, you can see how it is a like ash blonde versus that yellow, golden blonde. And so this was the outcome after the purple shampoo. Using a dimming brush, I brushed the wig to make sure that the color touched all of the strands and we don't have any blonde hair left over, and to evenly spread the color across the wig. After a few minutes of brushing and just dipping the hair repeatedly in the water, you can see it's now that like rose gold pink, a really light pink, and this is where I want it, so I won't add any more color because it'll just make it darker or more vibrant, and I don't want that. this is the complete look. If you like this look, you can like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos. And we'll also have a discount on our 613 hair in the comments. So go ahead and check that out and order from Five Fashion.